Welcome, everyone is a Doogee S50, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, I'm just going to capture a couple of photos with the camera just so I have something to move. There we go. And from there, let's open up the file manager app right here. And then go into files where it will show you your both storages. So number one, I'm gonna go into the internal storage. That's where I think the photos are, although there might be actually on the SD card. But both of the locations will have the DCIM folder, which will contain your photos and videos that you have captured with the phone itself. So let's just see, and there we go. There's a couple of photos that I have captured. So that's where you can find photos and videos. Downloads will have anything that you have downloaded through browsers, so there is, well, something there, I guess. And there is also a pictures folder which has screenshots, as you can see. So find whatever it is that you want to copy or move, and like I said, I'm going to use the photos itself. So you want to select it, and you select it by just simply holding it for like a second or two, and it becomes like this. You can see the blue line on it, and then you can just simply tap on additional ones to add more. And once you have selected all the files that you wish, you can tap right here and just choose either copy or cut. Now, one thing to simplify this process, if you have an entire folder full of photos that you wish to move, you don't actually have to select all of them. You can basically go back and select the folder itself with all of its content, so that includes all the files that are inside of it. So once it's selected like so, again, tap on the three dots right there and choose either copy or cut. So I'm going to choose cut, which will completely remove it from where it is right now and move it to a new location. So I'm going to go back, and from here I'm going to go to the SD card and just drop it, for instance, right here. Now if you want, you could create a new folder by tapping it right here, this button, a folder with a plus. Let's create a new folder, and you can name it wherever you want and drop it inside of it, but I won't really bother. I'm just going to tap right here on the three dots again and choose paste, and this will move the pictures folder straight right here, or camera, not pictures, and there are the images that we have had before. Now because of the fact that I've chosen to cut it, if I go back to the internal storage DCIM, you can see that it's empty now. There's nothing in here, but the phone itself created again another folder. So that is basically how you would move or copy files from one place to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.